What if I told you the biggest secret to great acting isn't pretending, it's listening. Not robot listening, not waiting for my turn to talk listening, but listening, real listening. Today, I'm going to show you how actors listen so well that a single word can change everything they do next. If you're ready to act instead of just talk, and don't worry, your teacher will have a way in the comments for you to all play the characters. Teachers, just head to the vault. All right, here we go. Let's begin. Scene 1. What listening is not. I need one volunteer who can pretend to listen. I could do it. Yeah, I'm listening. Amazing performance. Now tell me what I just said. I don't know. Something about listening. Freeze. Turns to the class. That is called fake listening. Actors don't listen so they can talk. Actors listen so something inside them changes. Scene 2. The actor listening secret. Here's something I know makes actors incredible listeners. With every scene they do, they listen to what the other person says, and they know how they feel about it. They notice the word or words that make them go, aha. And that is why they reply the way they do. Scene 3. Words that change you. Okay, I need 2 actors. I'll do it. I don't know about this. Okay, let's go. Say this slowly. I didn't forget you. I chose not to come. I didn't forget you. I chose not to come. Freeze. Turns to the class. Which word might change how someone feels? The word chose? Yes! Okay. Now answer, but let that word chose affect you. You chose not to come? Why would you do that? That reaction wasn't planned. That reaction was listened into.